Hello there, children. Welcome back to another session of English from your Summer Cheat Class 2 book. And we are doing the lesson 1 presently. We have completed 3 sections of your lesson 1, and today will be your part 4 of your lesson 1. And if you have missed any of the earlier section, please listen to it and then you continue with today's lesson. And if you don't want to miss the coming up lessons, do subscribe and watch all the lessons and learn to read your book well. When the English alphabets come in alone, in the sense, we learn the sounds of A, B, C, D, right? We learn the sound of B, G, D, okay? Right? You learned the sounds of the English alphabets earlier class. You learned the sound of English alphabet in the earlier class. If you have missed it, just go back and watch my session on phonetics, right? Today we're going to be watching two consonants together. We're going to watch two consonants together. That is, when two letters come together, when two consonants, this is the English alphabet B, it makes a sound B, and this is the letter L, and it makes the sound L. When you see that together, you read it as bl, bl, okay, blood. Here you see k, clean, kl. This is if, floor, okay. Don't feel shy. Press your mouth properly and release the sound. Floor, glow, please, sleep. Okay, right, come on, that's interesting for you, right? So we're going to learn more sounds from your book. Okay, so these are the words that we have for the practice from your book, right? So let's start practicing them from the start. Okay, so I'm going to make these sounds. I'm going to read these words, read these sounds, and you're going to repeat after me, right? So we have the letter B and R. So this makes the sound brr, broom, brush, bring. Okay, you got it? Next one is krr. C makes the sound k, krr. So when you see, whenever you see in the printed form the letter C and R together, you have to make the sound krr. Craft. Okay, cream. Say ice cream. You said it has a cr in it, right? Cream, you say, right? That has a C and R together. And next one is fruit, from. Okay, so fruit, remember, fruit, it has together in the beginning. That's the first sound, right? So let me see the first one again for the first row. Br, kr, fr. Did you say that along with me? Right, let's move to the next line. Okay, next we have okay, next we have so it has green, grapes. We will read more words, don't worry. Right now you mix the sound, just open your mouth and say green, right? And next one is prime, praise. Okay, next one. Dream, drink, drank. Okay, and the last one is R. This is it, R, and this is it, R. So this is this is this is okay, tree. Okay, transform, transistor, right? So this is drumstick, drink, and this is tree. Okay, so one more time. Come on, children. Brr, krr, fr, gr, pr, dr, tr. That's good, right? Now let me start introducing you to the words now. Okay, now you see the brr. Okay, brick, brr, broom, brick, broom. Okay, now you see the dr, dr, drink, dr, drink, dr, drum, dr, drum. Okay, so you have all the brr, 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 brr words, right? Bring, bring, brim, brim, brass, brick. Okay, repeat after me. Bring, brim, brass, brick. Next we have the dr sound. Dr. Drop, dress, drag, drip. Wasn't that funny? You like the sound? Okay. Can you say again? Bring, brim, brass, brick. Drop, dress, drag, and drip. Very good, children. And here we have another set of sound. Bl, gl, gl, pl, fl, sl. Okay, let's take it one by one. L, bl. Okay, please open your mouth and say L, bl. Okay, so black, black, block, bless, black, block, bless. Okay, you got it? Right. Next one we're going to have gl, glass, glass. Okay, gland, gland, glad. I'm glad to meet you. Say glad. Glass, you drink water from a glass, right? Okay, and then you have gland. We all have many glands on our body. Gland. Okay, next one, ik, ill, ik, ill, class, class. You are in class 1. Clean, clean, clap, click, clean, clap, clip, class. Okay, next one is okay, please, please, plan, plan, plum, plum. Next one, floor, floor, flap, flap, fly, fly, sleep, sleep, slow, slum, slate. Okay, got it? Right. Let's get back to the words that is given in your book. Okay, so here we have the picture of a clock, and how do you read it? Clock, clock. Okay, now you forget about the spelling. Now open your mouth and say it. Clock. It starts with the ik sound, it ends with the ik sound. Okay, flower, 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 cloud, 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 flute, 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 right? Now let's read more words. Clap, click, cloth, cluck, flip, flag, flop, flush. Okay? That was the blend sounds in the beginning of the word. We saw in the beginning, we saw clap, please, slow, floor. So we saw the blend words in the beginning of the words. Now we are going to see the blend words which come at the end of the word. Okay? So let us learn the sound and then we will go into the words. Okay? F. Okay, so this is the alphabet F, so it makes sound F. Okay, if, lift, gift, swift. Okay, next one is list, guest. Okay, sand, band. Okay, ink, sink, bank. Okay, like let's say let us hear you saying this. If, ist, ind, ink. Right, now let's read the words from your book. Right, so these are the words that you have with the if and ist sound. Right, so let's go one by one. Open your mouth and say shift. We studied in the last class, when you see s and it comes alone, it makes its sound. But when you see S and H printed together, you say the sound sh. So it is shift, shift, left, left, loft, loft, craft, craft, must, rest, west, cost. Did you see all the words? Yes? Okay, let's move on with your next set of words here. Okay, so you see gift here. If gift, soft. The feathers are soft. Then you have the list of things that you have to do. List. And then fist. When you put all your fingers together like this, that you make a fist. Right? I hope you learned all these sounds well. Repeat it after me and listen to it and just read it. This is not about your writing. This is reading. So please listen to it and open your mouth and keep saying the words again and again. Okay? Here we have the nd and ink sound. Nd and ink. Nd. It has a D in the end, but you don't make the d so strongly. You make a very gentle, soft id sound. Very gentle and soft id sound, right? So you say pond. Okay? This is p-a-n-d. But when you say, you're going to say pond, not pond. Okay? That id should not be very strong in the end. Always when it comes, the D sound comes in the end, you make a very gentle blend, end. Okay? So, pond, bend, bend, and ink, ink, ink. So, tank, tank, pink, pink. We have some more set of words for you. And these words are there at the end of your book. So you can take your book and start reading also. Sand, wind, land, born. Sand, wind, land, born. Bank, think, link, rank. This is all about reading, and so don't be writing these words. Take a book every time and you keep reading as many times as you can. Okay, and we have another set of words here which will summarize all the words that we have been learning from the beginning, right? So I'm going to read these sentences. You're going to listen and repeat after. Flip the cloth. Flip the cloth. Dust the nest. Dust the nest. Thank the monk. Thank the monk. Bring the drum. Bring the drum. Lend a hand. Lend a hand. Lift the gift. Lift the gift. Did you get it all correct? We have a word ball here. Okay, that means there are more kr, br, l sound. So let's revise all this quickly. Clip, drag, win, brass, drip, sand, flesh, west, rank, flop, cost, loft. Okay, so these words you're going to read again and again and practice yourself. And there is an exercise here given for you, right? So this is for you. There's a picture here. What is this? This is a clock. What is this? This is a clock. Clock. So how does it begin? Cl. It starts with cl. So you have to pick which makes a sound cl here. So this is cl, this is pl, this is fl. So you know cl. So you're going to pick this cl and put it here on the blank. So you're going to make clock, right? And here we know what is this. This is a pond. This is a pond. So you have to have a n sound here, right? So you have to pick n, ink, if. So you pick the n sound and put it here. And what is this? This is a picture of a flag. This is a flag. So which of these says the word sound fl? Which of these says fl? This is pl, this is cl, this is fl, and this goes there, fl. Okay. And here we have a nest, a bird's nest we have. This is a bird's nest. And it's given here, ist, ink, ind. Okay. So you know what to write? So ist goes there in the nest. And we have, this is a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. And we have the sounds here. Krr, brr, fr. We have the sounds krr, brr, fr. So what goes in here? Krr, brr, fr. Brush. Brr goes in there. Next we have a parcel, something packed up nicely to be gifted, right? So this is a gift. And they're giving you n, ink, ift. N, ink, ift. So what goes in here? The ift goes in the gift. Okay. And we have a little drop of water. We have a little drop of water. And we have the sound drr, krr, and brr. Okay. Drr, krr, brr. So what comes in the drop? Drr. So you pick the dr and you put there. Drr. You take the drr sound and you put it there, right? And then we have the color pink. We have the color pink, and the letters given to you is ink, ift, and ind. So what goes in that? Ink goes in the pink. Okay, ink goes in the pink. So that was about the blend words in your book of class 1. And I hope you have learned to read it. If you have not, go back to your lesson and keep listening and keep saying. Open your mouth and keep saying with it. So you will learn all the sounds and you will learn to read correctly and enjoy your learning. We will meet in the next session. Bye-bye.